The winner is Yuan. Yuppie! I didn't add the sound because I don't know. Subscribe if you want Bone Blossom. Next time, I'm gonna video the Forsaken. I'm gonna play Forsaken. Um, and subscribe for Bone Blossom or Candy Blossom. Um, I'm gonna trade this corrupted corrupted Kitsune, and that's it. Bye bye. Bye. Subscribe.